Hey families, I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to sign up for your fall conference with me. So from your email message that you should be receiving, you will click on the blue, it says click here to sign up. That is hyperlinked. So when you do that, it will bring you to this lovely screen. There it is. Fall conference sign up. The directions are here one more time. My email is also attached if you need to contact me for any reason. And then here are your choices. So all these times are available. You only need to choose one. So I'm just going to say, all right, this time is available. I'm going to sign up. So I check mark. And then I go to the bottom, submit and sign up. And now a screen with just a couple more prompts will pop up for you to finish. So the first one is your student's name, and we're just going to say that my student's name is Jen. Jen is my student in first grade. I do not need an alternate name. I am Molly Pernew. That's me. And what style of conference would you like? Check one box. I'm going to prefer a phone call conference. That's it. Then you will click sign up now and your date and time with your style of conference will be saved. So that is all you need to do. If you have questions, please email them to me and I'm happy to help you.